In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page on Confluence. If you ever need to duplicate an existing page so you can reuse the same structure, preserve formatting, or create a new version without starting from scratch, Confluence makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open the Confluence page that you want to copy. Make sure you're on the actual page you want to duplicate because the copy will be based on whatever page is currently open. This is especially helpful if the page already contains layouts, tables, headings, or other content that you want to keep in the new version. Once the page is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, click the three dots icon to open the Page Options menu. From that drop-down, select Make a Copy. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, you'll choose where the copied page should live. First, select the space. This is the workspace where the new page will be stored, and this selection is required. Be sure to choose the correct space, especially if your organization uses multiple spaces for different teams, projects, or departments. You may also have the option to choose a parent page. This part is optional, but it can be very useful if you want the copied page to sit underneath a specific page in your page tree. Choosing the right parent helps keep your content organized and easier for others to find later. After you've selected the destination space and a parent if needed, go to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Make a Copy. Confluence will then create the duplicate and open the new page automatically in editor mode. You'll notice that the title of the new page will usually begin with copy of, followed by the original page title. That's a helpful sign that the copy was created successfully. From there, you can edit the title, update the content, and make any changes you need before publishing or sharing it. And that's it. That's how to copy a page on Confluence. It's a quick and practical way to save time, maintain consistency, and reuse existing content without rebuilding the page from the beginning.